Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can set up your iPhone color back to normal. So here, if you can see now on my video, the color of my phone's light right now is kind of like tint. So here, let's just bring it back to normal. Go up on your settings, and then you just need to like scroll all the way down until you got this accessibility, and then you just need to tap it. The next thing, you just need to tap or focus on the vision and just tap into the display and text size. The next, you just need to like scroll all the way down again until you got this color filters. And this color filters, just tap it and you just need to turn off this color filters, and now your phone color is back to normal. That's the way how you do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you're still confused about this tutorial, just tap the question in the comment section, and please don't forget to turn on the notifications button so that you will never miss the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet again into other tutorial.